In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Outlook mailbox size and limit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your current usage and how close you are to your storage cap, so you can avoid bounced messages and keep your inbox running smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft to open Outlook on the web. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your mailbox. This walkthrough is for Outlook in a browser, which is the simplest place to check storage at a glance. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. In the panel that appears, choose Account. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a bit, but you're looking for the Account section that manages your mailbox details. Inside Account, click Storage. This is where Outlook groups information about how much space you're using. Next, select Email Storage. This view focuses specifically on your mailbox usage rather than other types of data, and it's the clearest way to see your totals. You should now see a usage bar that shows how much storage you've used and the overall limit of your mailbox. You'll typically also see a breakdown by folder, like Inbox, Sent Items, and Deleted Items, so you can tell which areas are taking up the most space. Large attachments often live in Sent Items or Inbox, and deleted items can quietly accumulate, so that breakdown is helpful when you're assessing your next steps. If you notice you're close to your limit, keep in mind a few quick principles. Focus first on folders with the largest sizes, since that's where you'll get the biggest gains. Messages with big attachments add up quickly, so identifying those has an outsized impact. And remember, items in deleted items still count until they're cleared. Also note that storage limits can differ depending on your account type or plan, so your numbers might not look exactly like someone else's. That's all there is to it. To recap the path, search for Outlook, open the official site, click the gear icon, go to Account, then Storage, and open Email Storage to see your current usage and overall limit. Check this page periodically so you can stay comfortably below your cap and keep your email flowing without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want a quick storage check.